भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
If you take to this devotional service, then this chanting, this vibration of the holy name of Krishna, very simple method. If we accept this, just like we have offered this boy, this chanting process, and they have accepted it very humbly, and if they prosecute the routine work, gradually they will understand what is Krishna. As we say, the advanced students who are dancing in ecstasy, you can understand how much they have understood Krishna. It's simple method. And nobody is sick or bad. You are not Hindu, you cannot chant Hare Krishna. No. Jai Krishna Tattvavedta Sai Guru. It doesn't matter whether he is a Hindu or Muslim or Christian or this or that. One has to learn the science of Krishna, Bhagavad Gita, as it is. Then he becomes the spiritual master. This boy and girl just now married. I am sending to Australia. The boy has come from Australia, the girl has come from Sweden. Now they are united. Now they are going to maintain our establishment there in Sydney. Just now I am sending them within 2 or 3 days. They will take care of the temple. And they will preach also. This Krishna consciousness movement is expanding by their help. I am alone, but they are helping me. They are my gurus. I am not their guru. Because they are helping me in executing my Guru Maharaj's order. So it is very nice combination that somebody is going to Australia, somebody is going to Fiji Island, somebody is going to Hong Kong, somebody is going to Czechoslovakia, and we are also negotiating to go to Russia. There is chance of going to China. We are attempting. We have already sent 2 boys to Pakistan, one in Dhaka and one in Karachi. So these American boys are helping me. I am very sorry that no Indians are coming forward for this. Of course there are some, but very few. They should come forward, younger generation of India. They should join this movement and spread Krishna consciousness all over the world. That is India's business. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Bharat bhumite manusya janma haila ja, janma sarthak kari karo paropakar. This paropakar business, welfare activities, to spread Krishna consciousness all over the world, is the most important business at the present moment. It will unite everyone, politically, socially, culturally, religiously, and everywhere. Krishna is the center. That's a fact. It is making progress. And if we endeavor more and more, it will make more and more progress.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,